Hey guys, what's going on? All right, let's do a review of LiveGood, okay? I think it's one of the most easiest reviews that you'll ever probably do yourself if you join LiveGood or if you're already in LiveGood. I think you got to agree that the website, the products, the way the customer service, the returns, the setup, it's fairly simple, and I think that's one of the reasons why we're so darn successful signing up. As of today, February of 2025, we have right around 1.7 million members and affiliates, okay? And that's worldwide, okay? There's some in Utah, Florida. There could be people in the Philippines. How about down under in Australia, all right? Mate, New Zealand, New Guinea, all right? We have a whole bunch of people over in all the Asian areas, okay? Right from Japan, South Korea, China, of course, and India is just doing well. Even Africa. Okay, so get used to meeting people online from all over the world. Okay, there's not a day that goes by that I don't get an email or an inbox message on Facebook from someone usually out of America, which is exciting for me because my whole life, to be honest, I don't really know a lot of people around the world. Okay, my career, my radio, and oh my God, all the jobs that I've had, let's just put it that way, the last 45 years have been centered here in America. So I think it's a lot of fun that you have the potential to make money, okay, 24 hours a day while you're sleeping, while you're eating, while you're hiking and biking, but you can also make money worldwide as well. So 24 hours a day worldwide. That's very uncommon because most people, and you might be in this category, you make money, okay, if you go to work, okay? The term 9 to 5 is very popular here in America, but most people get up by 6 or 7 to get to work by 8 to 9. You work, you have an hour lunch, let's say, get off work at 5 to 6, takes an hour to get home. So realistically, your work day is like 6 in the morning till probably 6 at night, okay? Just carve out 12 hours a day, times that by 5, okay? So 60 hours a week or more can be totally your work, boom, chunk of life, boom. You can't get it back. The rest of your life, all those hours, they ain't coming back, okay? But if you can get an income like LiveGood, use the products, okay? You can see the white containers there on my little mini fridge over there. I think not only are you going to feel better because our products just rock, okay? The reason why we're so dang successful is the products, in my opinion. There is an affiliate side. We can talk about that, but there's no doubt about it. I'd say out of the 1.7 million members and affiliates, probably 1.6 million are just enjoying the products, which means, okay, 10,000 people here, maybe 10,000 people there are really focusing on earning money, okay? Because as an affiliate, you don't have to buy products, okay? All these products, all right, there it is. I was trying to find my CBD, all right? If I sell CBD oil, okay, that's great if I want to do it in person, okay? So if I have a store, a gym, maybe I want to sell this on Amazon, for example. I can buy this up at $5 to $10, $20, and put that money in my pocket, okay? Welcome to retail. But if I encourage you to just buy LiveGood products, I don't earn commissions, okay? We don't commission the products. You don't have to go and buy all LiveGood products so you can attain a rank. So you can get, let's say, for example, you spend $300 on products, so you can get a $300 bonus. Okay? We don't work that way. If you want to earn money, all you got to do is spend $40 one time, two $20 bills. Okay? Who has two 20s? I did. All right? I spent the 20, and then I did another 20, and I'm done for life, just like a tattoo. Okay? You only have to spend that $40 one time. And just be a current member, okay? So if you are just going to livegood.com, for example, like going to Amazon or Walmart.com, you can shop. You don't need to be a member or an affiliate to buy our products, okay? You're just going to pay retail price, and our pricing is still awesome, okay? But in my case, I started buying the products every month, so it was better for me to become a member at $10, okay? $10 a month. But I was saving around $30-something. And my products I love are these super reds, super greens. I'm a big coffee guy. I just love coffee. All right. You can always tell when I do morning videos. All right. My eyes are kind of tired looking and I always have coffee. And then right around 11 to noon, I switch over to other drinks. Okay. So if you watch my videos a lot, you're like, oh, it's afternoon. Corey's got a nice cold beverage in his hand. Okay. But getting back to the affiliate side, it's nice to know that I do not have to, you know, be enforced to get out my debit card, my credit card, and buy products that I'm really probably not going to use. And wonder if the company doesn't let me resell the products on Amazon or just on social media where I can maybe talk about something to sell something. Okay, most companies online, they're not going to let you do that. And if you're caught doing it, they just turn off your web page so you can't make any money. Okay? LiveGood does not care if you're in a let's just say a competitor who might be similar to our products. Okay? Just go to the products tab of LiveGood. You can check out what we sell. You're going to see our ingredients are more high caliber, they're more expensive, but we're usually 30 to 50 to sometimes 70% cheaper because we are a wholesale-based company. We don't focus on retail, guys. We want you to spend $10 a month to get the products rock bottom at wholesale. Okay? There's power in numbers, and having 1.7 million members and affiliates already within a 2-year period, guess what? Some of our products are even cheaper now because our buying power is like, for example, Walmart. Walmart is probably one of the biggest, success stories in America, along with Costco. Okay. And guys, when you're just massive and you've got millions and millions of sales literally every minute, okay, your buying power, your cost of goods is going to be lower. Well, our CEO, Ben Glinsky, he passes the savings on to us. Okay. And that's nice. I'm not kidding you. This is not some, clickbait, switch at the last minute after you're excited to join. You guys just go to the website and check out the products, okay? And I'm just going to show you a couple things on my screen why I think LiveGood is just outstanding, okay? It's a great opportunity. The products are amazing. So you can pick your poison. Do you want to earn money just as an affiliate? Because that's okay. But I hope you talk about the products because the products will bring people in to join LiveGood just as members, like that's what I did back in March of around 2023. And then I finally said, I'm going to do the $40 upgrade to be an affiliate because I'm still a member buying the products, but I might as well earn money. So if I can earn $100 a month, I want to spend that much on the LiveGood products, especially the protein, chocolate and vanilla. I'm a protein maniac. I love protein shakes. I have like 3 a day because they're yummy like desserts in my case, but I love coffee too. I love to sip on it. It makes my throat feel good. And our organic mushroom coffee, I think you can, if I can try to point right there. All right. We got some great organic mushroom coffee that I think you'll love. It even tastes good without creamer and all the nonsense that I put in my traditional coffee. Okay. So anyway, how do I promote LiveGood? Okay. Besides a video like this, I just make a YouTube video and I throw it up. Okay. And there's a billion people out there. If 10, 20, 50 people watch my video, great. All right. Sometimes I get way more than that, but I love doing a video and just talking like this for usually 10 minutes. That's my favorite. I can get enough information out. Okay. And I feel good. I always invite people to joincory.com. I hope you come aboard. Okay. I've had about 10 people sign up in the last, I'd say within 30 days. Okay. You can see, let's see, yesterday I had someone, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I had 6 people sign up in the last couple of weeks. Okay. I like to average about anywhere from, I can get 10, 15, sometimes even 20. It depends on what time of the year. But man, if I can get someone to become a member and an affiliate and we just help each other, I don't know if I'd call myself a trainer or a guru, but I always have advice. I have, oh my God, well over 3,000, I think 800, almost 4,000 videos I'll have up by summer of 2025. I just really enjoy chatting a little bit, sharing information. If you have any advice, let me know. I'll make a video because most people hate making videos, and that's okay. Okay, I'm your guy. I'll help you make videos, no problem. Okay, but get really good at inviting people to your link. Okay, so when you join LiveGood, you're going to go to this tab that says My Websites, and what it will do is give you a capture page, and people can put in their name, their email address. They can decide if they want to join or not. based upon the email that you get from LiveGood. Okay. But it all starts right here, guys. Joincory.com. Please go there. And when you do, just realize everything that you see on your screen, you're going to have as well for only $49.95. You got $50, you get a nickel back. Okay. Here's my contact info, Cory@CoryDraper.com. You can see on my business card I made here at Vistaprint. If you need something, get a hold of me. I'm not shy, guys. Okay, I'll do the best I can to give you some advice. And it's usually going to be through email or the inbox on my Facebook page. It's easier for me to just hurry and type back. Or if you have a question and I've already made a video, I'll sometimes just send you a link to a video of me explaining what you might have questions about, okay? But at the end of the day, I think most of your questions, it's not going to be about LiveGood. It's pretty easy to figure out by just logging in and going to your back office. It's going to be about marketing, how to do this, how to do that, how to do proper emails, how to do posts on social media, or maybe even do a webcam video like this, where I can wave at you guys. Okay? Blah, blah, blah. All right. Thanks for your time. It looks like I'm well over 10 minutes on this video. But yeah, joincory.com. Let's just do A, B, C, D. And number 1 is just click that link and follow along with that 5-minute and 55-second video. It's our CEO, Ben Glinsky. I just hand the ball to him, so to speak. And with his video that everyone has access to, he explains the whole opportunity from being a member, an affiliate, and of course, the products. Okay? All right. Thanks again for your time. Cory@CoryDraper.com. And get a hold of me if you need something, okay? All right, guys. Have a good day and subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right. Take care, guys. Bye.